Hello students, happy Monday and welcome to week 4, which means we are officially in midterm. I want to thank those of you who provided me some feedback based on the questions I put out last week in terms of the week 3 survey, and for those of you who've been able to kind of get back to me about workload. As I acknowledged in that previous email, this course is running for the first time with a new textbook, and there were some adjustments to the course, but does still feel like the workload is heavy. So I am going to go ahead and do a few things. So first and foremost, we will not have any reflection papers moving forward. I want you to focus in on the surveys for your portfolio and that project, as well as the group project, as the main way that you spend your time outside of the reading quizzes and the discussion board. So in terms of a weekly assignment, there will now just be the discussion board, and then the reading assessment, and then or the knowledge check, and then your portfolio. I think that's a little more manageable as we head into the next part of the term, and then in the future I'm actually going to adjust that for students. The other thing I'm looking at is making some adjustments to the number of questions on the knowledge check. I don't currently have permission to do that as the instructor, so I'm going to have to talk to the powers that be and see if we can do that. If not, I've talked to some of you. It is okay if you use notes for those knowledge checks. I know they're hard, and they're really meant to be my way of knowing that everyone's reading the textbook. But if you want to use your notes for that, I am okay with it. Please don't Google answers. I don't use Lockdown Browser, but if you want to use your notes to assist, that is fine. Third, the grades in this course are very high. You all are really high quality students. I'm very, very impressed. My biggest concern moving forward is just make sure that you're connecting with your group about the project. That will come quickly in week 7, and for those groups that have been working together, it'll be okay. For those who have waited, this is kind of the week. And then finally, I know it is a holy week for multiple religions, with Passover being last Saturday and Easter being this upcoming Saturday or Sunday. And I also know that traditional Maryville students are on kind of our modified spring break this weekend. So I am going to make some adjustments to due dates for week 4 and push back the due date to Monday night from Sunday to give you all a little extra time this weekend with families. So if anyone has questions, let me know. Just wanted to make a quick video and reach out to all of you. Take care, and thanks again for the feedback. It allows for me to adjust things to make sure that our learning outcomes are reasonable and that you're able to keep up with the work, but also provide this really excellent writing that you guys have been doing and thoughtful integration of concepts. So have a wonderful week, take care, and you'll see those changes happening in Canvas as well.